famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Don't forget that we are just a South African food content YouTube channel, and we cook what we have in our houses. Now please, again, thank you for those who have subscribed. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video. So story time. I've decided that, you know what, instead of me preaching on how to cook, you watch the cooking, I tell you a story, right? So before we start with our story, famies, today we are cooking noodles, curry noodles with seafood. Seafood noodles, something like that. I don't know. Okay, Ginamola, this is our prawns. Now, while you are watching, let me tell you a story time. Did I not be called the K word in a store? Okay, fast forward. That is me. I decided that, okay, today I'm going to a store. This very, very, very profound store. I think if you know it, you know the name of the store. I'm not going to say it because, wow, child, we're not about to get sued. We don't have this suing or whatsoever money to pay. Okay, let's pause the story time. Please make sure that you put your cooking oil, and then on the other pot, these are the veggies that I've boiled. Remember, this time around, I made sure that I chop everything off camera, and then throwing in my, what is it? Is it Russian? Yeah, Russian inside a warm cooking oil together with my prawns just for a fry. Now, back to the story time. That is me. I was like, okay, let me go and collect some meds, because when we enter winter, you always need to be armed up as far as flu meds are concerned. I buy my meds, and I was like, I don't think we have bread at home, so let me pass by and get some bread. Cool. Get into the store, quick store, grab some 2 juice, right? 2 bottle of juice. I think it is about 1 liter bottle of juice. Now, here's the thing. In that particular store, they said one bottle of juice was, I think, about 40 rand, and then 8 rand you can buy for 3. So because I was in a hurry, please check my pods while I'm talking. While I was in a hurry, I didn't even see that you can get 3 for a price of 2. Now, when I was at the till, the lady, the cashier said, cashier said to me, "No, my dear, I think you are losing on a big special." Lose a special. Let's see, waluza. Well, I'm raw all that juice. Okay. Now, as I'm going back to fetch that, the 3rd bottle, now I come across this granny. She's of that color. You know the color. You know that one. The color before 1994. Thank you. The color before 1994. It is fine. She's of that color. And then she said to me, she had a very huge trolley, and she was having a huge trolley, she couldn't even turn it nicely. First of all, she's an elderly person, and then secondly, at this point, the trolley is bigger than her body. She's of age, and let's just say that. Noodles, put noodles in the pot. Of course, we're about to boil them, right? Fine. Back to the story time. Then I asked her nicely. I said, "May I please pass?" When I tell you that that mama, not even mama, that granny, because she's of age, probably in her 70s, if not 80s. She's like, move. You K word, the K word that we are not supposed to use. And she's even doing with a hand. I was like, child, do you know who I am? My sister, my brother. Please tell her who I am. Do you know that I'm able to stop SASSA money from coming to your bank? As if they even get sasa. Of course, they majority of them probably they don't get sasa because they have, unlike our granny. So Magela said that I got boiled up. Of course, furious, because who the hell are you to talk to me like that, And I believe that respect is earned. What you give is what you get, isn't it? Sharp. Now, no problem. And I looked at her. The boiling part in me said, okay, those are my spices. Remember, in this house, guys, we don't showcase spices because spices are secrets and spices are preferences. So you do as you please when it comes to spices. And again, we're not about to do free promotion. Sharp. Back to the story time. Fine, Magogo. Granny, I was like, for a moment I paused. I looked at her and she could tell that I was not buying it at all. And the be me word was like, sort her out now. Sort her out now until she wee herself. Sort her out, Then I was like, you know what? I wanted to sort her out. Of course, taste. We are tasting. I wanted to sort her out, but I looked at her. I looked at her age. I looked at her being. I was like, God, this person can meet with you at any time. You understand? I know everyone can meet God at any time, but this one, she's 5'2", meeting her creator. You understand? So I looked at her, and the respectful side of me is like, just leave her alone. It is not worth it. I left her alone. Then I think she regretted, because when I come back, the lady, the other lady in the store was like, my sissy, you can go through this side where it's only staff that is allowed to pass there. So she allowed me to pass. And she was like, oh, come, pass this side. So I want to ask a question. What were you going to do if you were in my position that a person of this color calls you the B word, With me, I was like, she's an elderly person. She's going through a lot. Probably for the fact that she's old, that can be very much stressful. So I don't know, what were you going to do when you, if it was you in my space? So I just left and was like, it's fine. It is not worth it. It is well. But I think if it was somebody of my age chart, it was going to go down same time. So anyway, that was just a small story time. We mixed up everything. Of course, you saw what I was doing while I was doing. Because busy story time. I hope you saw what we did. So if there's anyone of you, please tell me, no if we like swearing at you, making such a horrible noise, calling you with the K word in front of everyone. So yeah, this is how our noodles looks like, and a little bit of chili sauce there to make it yum. Mix up. We are going to mix up. Remember, come on guys, you were watching, and I hope you saw all the types of ingredients, because I was just having a chat, like a complaining. In fact, like I was reporting. So that is chicken paste. Yeah, I think that is chicken paste there. You can get it at any of your store. Then what we have, sauce. This sauces, I forgot, man. What do we call them? I get it, but it was more like a creamy sauce. And of course, so you make sure that you mix up everything to give it a very nice and unique taste. You understand? Very nice and unique taste. Mix the same way we mix and chanta lead relationship relationship is mix the way he mix and go Lena really better one day. Listen, I got a relationship about life. If we are done, it's potatoes, carrot, green beans, your Russian, and a little bit of sesame seed for seasoning. And yeah, we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, famies. I pray that you remain well. I pray for your children, your children's children, whatever that you possess, may it be protected and not be lost. Until we meet again, famies, thank you very, very, very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. So, what were you gonna do if you were in my position? Bye.